Well, today is the open house of the Stitchin Post with their newly remodeled shop and the passing of one generation to another in the business of the shop. And so I am sneaking in the back door because I'm going to go in a little early. It's locked. I guess I'll go over to this other door, which is... There's no way to stop a quilter from getting in there. Here we go. Oh, sweet. Oh, where the fabric is all stored. And they're in the process of setting everything up for the hordes of people that are going to be arriving at 9 o'clock. Today is also going to be the day that all the class schedule for the next session will come out, and it looks like it is going to be fantastic.
Hannah! And we just start talking.
Yes.
And we just start talking?
Yeah.
I guess so.
This is going to be on it.
Well, I'm Jean. And I'm Val. And we are the Stitchin Post. And Valerie is taking over the job of running the Stitchin Post, which is very exciting for both of us.
For both of you.
It is exciting for both of us.
Yes.
Yeah, a new adventure on both realms. And Mom still will mentor me as we transition over the next few years, which is good. And she's such a big part of our education, which today is our preview party. So a big part of all these classes, and that just brings forth so much to our shop. So we'll still be a team. She just won't be here as much. She gets to go do some of her things.
Right.
Which is good.
And then you're going to have to balance your art time with your business time.
Correct. But
So,
that's okay.
yeah.
I can do it.
Yes, yes.
Because a lot of this is creative too, and I also, there's a balance, and we have an amazing staff, and so, you know, I don't have to be here 24/7 for this business to work and be wonderful. It's the quality of time you put in too. So, yeah, so I'm excited.
Well, good. Well, thank you for taking this moment. I cannot tell you how exciting it is to bring you this preview of the rebirth of the Stitchin Post. For those of you that are lucky enough to be able to come to the Quilters Affair and the Sisters Outdoor Quilt Show, you are in for a treat. But here is just a preview. There's nothing like, though, seeing a place firsthand and being able to touch the fabric. Everyone that I have met here that gets their first glimpse of the Stitchin Post's new remodel always says, did they raise the ceiling? In fact, it is the vision of Valerie on remodeling that gives the sensation of height and breadth. Just a few tweaks and it's kind of like a quilt. When you move a block around, it makes the quilt look entirely different. No different in a remodel. Running the carpet from one end to the other, from the Stitchin Post side to the twig side, gave it an all-inclusive feel. And the quilts now that used to hang only on the Stitchin Post side of the shop now run all the way through to the twig side, and you are greeted by one expansive, bright shop. You are going to love shopping here. And so, I leave you now to just watch and enjoy. And know that anything you see here, you can order or call the shop, and that you can stop this video at any point to see something a little bit longer or a little bit closer. The cutting table, just to let you know, is in the same spot, but now there's only one cash register in a big, expansive countertop, and that is just makes the shop look so wide open. And so, enjoy.